This is the Tracteur Panhard, which is made in France, right? And basically it has no washer on the bottom of these. A lot of them are missing. So all you want to do is get a piece of tin, get a washer that suits the area inside here. Right? That's about right. Right? It's a good size. Now you take the washer and you make an outline on a piece of tin and cut it out and make a hole in it, a 3mm hole. And there you go. Now it's a little crooked looking. I'm just going to file around the washer to make it look better. Make it look rounder. You can clamp it on if you want. Right? I'm just filing around these edges. Make it rounder. Give me a couple of minutes here and we'll have a nice round washer. So I'm just sandpapering this washer off. Make sure it's really clean looking. This side looks better at the moment. And now I'll use a fine piece. It's a 600 actually, which is a bit much, but only one in hand. Give it a good old cleaning. Now, all you do is get your truck laid up here. I'll get my truck in picture. Right, my truck into the center of the picture here. Any way you want. There we go, can you see that? I gotta get the washer on. I'm afraid it's a little bit out of center, but you know, maybe I'll file it a little bit more and try to get it central. One sec. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this washer to sit in here on this. I've already checked that it fits. It's just trying to line everything up here. There it goes. See that? Now I got a self-actuating punch. I'm going to see if that'll work. Put it in there. And I have a funny drill bit here that I use as a punch. As you can see, it's not a drill, it's actually where are we here? It's a wood miller. But it has a point on it, it's hardened steel, so I'm just going to punch that down a bit. And then use the flat piece before this comes up again. I'm going to use the flat end now and put it down on it and see if I can get a little flattening so it doesn't come off. There we go. That looks pretty good. There's your rivet in place. You're not having your tractor and trailer always, you know, falling apart. Little clean, and there we go. All done. Simple. What a great quick repair. I had to go back and tap it a couple more times. Now, on one side of the shaft, it's really hard to get in there. You can get in there. This side you can. And use this side you can a little. But you can, don't forget, you can turn it and then tap, right? To get into all the sides, right? Turn it and tap. And other side. Turning helps you get your punch in there. I'm just using a flat side right now and flattening it a bit. Now I don't think that's going to come out in a month of Sundays myself. There you go, you got your trailer all fixed up and you're way to go. That's two of them. Yeah, make sure you put a piece of wood or paper towel and a piece of wood underneath it when you're hitting. Now there it is on, and it's pretty solid. And there we go, that's the second truck done. So I've done just 2 trucks there this morning in, what, 20 minutes, half an hour. And they're all solid to go. Basically, because it was a part like that, I was very reasonable. I think I paid €5 for this, which is a steel. And it's the Citroen Titan 32C. Lovely truck. Always wanted one in one piece. Now I have it. And there she goes, all done with a little trailer hitch in there. As a repair, that little tin washer, make sure it doesn't come off again. She's all ready to go. Now this one doesn't need anything else. I had only put 2 tires on the back. And you know, if you get the really new tires, like the shiny ones, just take a little bit of 600 when the tire's off and sand it a little, make it look older, right? It takes the shine off. You know? It makes it look like these a little. You don't want to have them like new shiny, you want them to be original looking. There's my tips for today.